How to fix RBC app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your RBC Bank's app not working. So, the first and foremost thing you gotta make sure is you have a stable internet connection. Now, since RBC app is an application that requires a stable internet connection to run and function, if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi or data connection, your app will not work. So make sure you have it. The second thing you got to make sure is the RBC servers are up and running. Now, if the servers are not running, no matter what you do, your app will not work because the servers itself are not working. So make sure it is active. Now, the third thing you can do is basically close the app and simply restart it. Also, you can restart your phone altogether. It may fix your problem. Now, if you're on an iPhone, you can basically try to offload the app and then re-log into your account. And if you're on an Android, you can basically try to clear the cache memory. Doing this will fix the problem in most of the cases. And just a quick note, if your app is not updated to the latest version, some of the features and fixes might not work, which may be the reason your app is not working completely. So try to update the app to the latest version, and doing these things will definitely solve your problem. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.